how to share a whiteboard or a Jamboard with my class. So I'm going to click on the triple dot and I'm going to say open up a Jam. And I'm going to start a new one. I could pick an old one if I wanted to. And in my new one, I'll see, right now I only have one student, but normally I'd see all my students here. And by default, it's asking them to view it, which is actually what I want. I could allow them to edit it, but that's a different kind of class. But right now I'm just going to say view, and I'm going to go send. And what they see is this pop-up. And they can click on the pop-up or click on the link, and then they can see the whiteboard that I have made. And then as the instructor, I could open up the Jamboard and draw on it. And then what a student would see is that which I drew. And later, when I'm done as the instructor, I can share the Jamboard with the class, but also what if a student was missing? What I could do is I could, unless it's sensitive, I could change it to open up anybody at Mount Royal University, and I could copy the link, and that's the link that I could put in my Blackboard site. I'm going to make a new button called whiteboards. I also could call them jam links. And then in whiteboards, I could go to content web link, and I'll call this, this is from lecture 1, and paste the URL to it, and then submit. And now, later on, a student, when they're done, the next day, they could go into whiteboards, and they could see and remember the whiteboard from our class.